Hey guys, it's Sandra from Sandaroo Kids, and today we're going to check out my notifications together. Let's see. Oh, I have a bunch. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. There's a brand new game called ROO. This looks adorable. Let's play. All right, let's check out the avatars here. Okay, this one, I like it, but I don't know. Well, not like 100%. Let's not do that. This one, oh, the shoes are adorable, but I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one is the one. I love everything together. Okay, let's play.
Where am I? Oh my goodness. Am I at a trampoline park? You know what that means? New quest. It says collect 50 ROO points for 1 ruby.
I wonder what a ruby does.
Challenge accepted. Let's do it.
No way, ROO is at a trampoline park. I love trampoline parks. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
OMG, what do we have in store? I see jumpy things, basketballs, and more challenges in store. Hey friends, do you feel that? There's a challenge in store for us. 10 star jumps for 10 ROO points. I can do that. Challenge accepted. Ready?
Yes, I just got 10 ROO points.
We did it! We did 10 star jumps. Can you believe? What is that? We just got awarded 10 ROO points for our 10 star jumps. Yay! We are that much closer to our first ruby. The mega trampoline? Wow, just look at this place.
All right, next quest, find gravity for 15 ROO points. Okay, I can do that.
Challenge accepted. Gravity? How am I going to find gravity? Have you seen it? I'm gonna look over here. Gravity! Are you out there? Where are you? Gravity? Where is it? Wait a second. There's a coin! I go up. I got the coin. Oh man! I go up. I grab the coin. When I go up, I come back down. It's so funny. I go up. I grab the coin. Wait a second. I think we found gravity! Oh my goodness. We were just awarded 15 ROO points. Can you believe it? And we found gravity. That means we're one step closer to a ruby. Yay!
Oh, this is cool. Oh my goodness, you can do a lot.
Woo! The foam zone, I can't believe it. This is like an ocean of foam. New challenge.
Okay, 25 points if I collect the magical star foam. Oh, all right, I can do this. Uh-oh, time's running out. Okay, wait, oh, okay, I got it.
Whoa, you guys, we collected all of our ROO points. You know what that means? Wait, where's our ruby? There it is, our ruby.
Wait, no way, it's a ruby. Yes, I got it.
We completed the quest. That means level 2, we're coming for you.
Wow, I can't believe I beat level 1. I love playing this new game, ROO, and the trampoline park is so much fun. I'm really excited to see what level 2 has in store, so make sure to stick around to Sandaroo Kids to see the next level.